Hey, what's up? This is your boy Lewis coming at you one more time right here. I'm gonna go ahead and show you a really quick tutorial. I'm gonna go ahead and just show you how to play in Among Us. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to play the online version, okay? Because you have the local version or the online. So let's go ahead and concentrate right here with the online, okay? So you just go ahead and click right there where it says online. Bottom right hand corner right here, you can go ahead and pick North America, Asia, Europe, okay? So you can pick any one of those three regions right there. Now right here, your name, just double click that, enter any name, then after that just go ahead and click OK, and you're gonna want to go ahead and concentrate right here in the middle part, public find game, okay? You click that and then just go ahead and pick any one of the rooms. Hey, alright, that's not bad, alright? First try right away. Okay, so we're the green guy right there. We're the green fella right there. Now the settings option right there, general controls joystick. If you pick the joystick, you're gonna have this right here. In order to go ahead and move your guy, you definitely want to go ahead and move this constantly. Touch option is better, okay? Because anywhere you move your mouse, there goes your guy right there, okay? So I definitely go ahead and prefer that option, and it's gonna be the exact same thing if you're running your Among Us game in BlueStacks. That's if you're using it on a PC, or if you're running it in your phone, okay, your Android or iOS. It's gonna be the exact same thing, okay? So you see that it's definitely a lot better. Let's go ahead and show you how you will go ahead and play if you have the joystick. If you have the joystick, you have to move this right here, but you know, it makes it uncomfortable after a while. You definitely have to concentrate right here and on the screen. So I will definitely go ahead and recommend touch. I'm gonna go ahead and change your wardrobe. You know, just go ahead and head over to the computer right here and go ahead and click where it says customize. Now the ones with the X, those are not available anymore, so let's go ahead and pick one that's available. Let's go ahead and find the orange one. The hat, you know, you can go ahead and change your hat if you like. I'm gonna go ahead and pick that one. Alright. Customize the game. You know, since you're not the host, you can't really modify none of these settings right here. You can definitely do so if you're the host, but right here, discussion time 30 seconds, voting time 30 seconds. I think those are really good options right there, because sometimes people be putting that to be about probably 100 seconds and voting time 100 seconds. So I think this is a really cool one. We're the crewmate and we have 2 imposters among us, okay? So all you do is pretty much, okay, we have to be careful because we have 2 imposters, okay? So you know, you have to pay close attention. You know, usually, oh, somebody got somebody already, so that was quick. Okay, usually the imposters like to go after people really quick. Okay, voting begins 20 seconds. Right now you have the discussion time, so you have to concentrate right here. All right, you can go ahead and type. Just put something like that. Okay. Alright, now voting time 30 seconds. It's gonna end in 30 seconds. I'm gonna go ahead and vote. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and, for some reason I'm thinking the imposter is this guy right here. So we're gonna see here in a little bit, in about 10 seconds, who got kicked out or if they maybe picked us, okay? But you have to remember, in this particular game we had 2 imposters. Alright, let's see what happened. Oops. Somebody's getting kicked out. It's not us. Okay, so it looks like we're gonna continue. Alright, so somebody was ejected already. Alright. Alright, so right here, see, for some reason I'm thinking it's I knew it was that one. They got us now. We're the ghosts, okay? Right here. Now when you're the ghost, you can even fly between, you know, walls and everything, but you still have missions to complete. The missions are right here in this map, okay? And then whenever you see the little question, you know, the little exclamation mark right there, that's your mission right there to complete. So we have a couple of things right here to do. Oh, they got us. So that's pretty much how you play. You know, you have to go ahead and stay active, participate in the chat, and vote. And you know, this was actually a quick game right here. And then after that, you can just go ahead and put play again or quit. So if you want to go ahead and play again, then that's where it's going to go ahead and take you right here, where you can go ahead and pick your wardrobe and your hat and all of that. Okay, so that's going to be my time right here. So thanks a lot for watching. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, thanks a lot.